body needs maintenance, just like any other machine. If you don't provide it with the right nutrients it needs to survive, you will be operating at the lowest possible capacity. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you know exactly when new content is released. Also, let us know your questions and thought below or videos you want us to cover as we take your comments into considerations, and loved hearing from you all. Not only that, but if you don't take care of your body and eat a healthy diet, you're practically inviting disease to strike you later in life. No one realizes how important their health is until it has already deteriorated, and then it is often too late to make the necessary changes to prevent further damage. Fortunately, you can start prioritizing your future today. Start getting rid of all the junk food in your house, maybe give it to food donations or to 2 relatives who will thank you. Make small changes to your diet by gradually introducing meal prep days that are completely healthy and mindful of your body's nutritional needs. It's never too late to make good changes in your life, even if you're already dealing with the long-term effects of bad decisions. Everyone makes mistakes, but if you're willing to forgive yourself and move on, you're well on your way to owning your domain and turning your life around to your advantage. Everyone wants to achieve their goals, so take the first step you need to take today and actively choose a lifestyle that is healthy and rewarding both mentally and physically. Standard American diet considerations. In the United States today, the typical diet that most Americans consume on a daily basis is highly unhealthy. This means the standard American diet, one of the most dangerous lifestyle choices a person can make. For starters, it is full of red meat and dairy and is absolutely great at clogging arteries and causing high blood pressure in the body. Humans. The meat is contaminated with cancer-causing chemicals distributed to cows in an attempt to make them grow faster and protect them from diseases that could spread among other animals. Another problem with the standard American diet is processed foods. Processed foods are ubiquitous in North America and are often considered a staple of the daily diet. The problem is that these foods are low in fiber and high in saturated fat and sugar, not to mention the highly dangerous salt content. The standard American diet includes foods that make weight loss difficult, especially processed foods that contain high fructose corn syrup. High fructose corn syrup is something to be avoided at all costs. It sticks in the body, making it almost impossible to lose weight. Not only that, but it's basically pure sugar and it adds weight just like anything else. If you want to eat a standard American diet, there are some decent things you can do. Try to eat fruits and vegetables with every meal. Don't skip a meal that doesn't include green or other colors of the natural food rainbow. If you need to eat meat, choose lean cuts and try to find grass-fed beef to eat. Instead of eating white flour bread, look for whole wheat alternatives. Whole grains contain more fiber and are more nutritious for the body. You want to be able to eat foods that are high in fiber because they will not only help you feel full and digest food better, which can flush out toxins that cause problems in your body, but can also help you lose weight. If you don't have fiber in your diet, you will gain weight faster and it will be difficult to escape this trend. In general, avoid the standard American diet if you can. But if you can't, be sure to make changes that make it work for you. You'll be glad you did, if not now, then in the future when you don't suffer from the same problems that other people living on the standard American diet face. Now, if you like these videos and find them interesting, please show your support by hitting the thumbs up button, subscribing to our channel and turning on the notification bell so you can stay up to date with our content releases. Also, please leave your questions and thoughts below. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.